Alright guys, I'm going to run this for Tim here. He's got the Mark Ananazio Brewers, 50 spots at 10. There's our list. We are going to go live. We are live. 12:52 p.m. 12:52 p.m. February 25th. We are going to grab the list, 50 spots. And we are going to drop it into random. We have 50 entries. Seth on the bottom and Seth on top. We're going to roll 2 dice, 5 or higher. And we have an 8. We're going 8 times. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Oh, hang on. Forgot to enter a description here. Duh. Let's just type in Mark Ananazio Tim Jacobson. Okay, there we go. Mark Ananazio Tim Jacobson. We are going 8 times. We rolled 2 dice. We got an 8. Good luck. Here we go. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 7 times. Dice shows at 8. Next click wins. Good luck. And 8. Congrats to Nick. Spot 31. You are the winner. Get in touch with Tim and get your bobblehead. We are done. 12:53 p.m. We will type done. We are done. 12:53. 12:53. Here is the timestamp and the verification code.